the piece of fried bread, te tepu pōpō. Heoi e te iwi, ko te kaupapa. Ko te kaupapa, Auntie Debbie, I thought it was actually a note you had written to me to say shush and pass the mic off. Heoi, ko te kaupapa e kia nei. Let the rangatahi take the lead. It's only like 25 years later. Heoi, let the rangatahi take the lead. E ai ki ngā kōwhiringa, I waka ai. I waka ai a Ngati Hine. Oh, geez, you keep on picking it good, eh? I waka ai a Ngati Hine. Let the rangatahi take the lead. Engari anō rā te kia ai rana a ati ne ko tinoa mareo tā kia koutou. Ehe rawa. Nō reira e te iwi, wakarite rite mai, paki mai, cheer for your hapu, because it's very much about bragging rights after this. E te iwi o mai te paki, finalists 2024 Ngati Ruanui, Ngati Hine, Ngati Tupito.
E ngā rangatahi rangatahi pōuri. E te iwi, le rangatahi take the lead now. Mate atu he te kura aramaira e te kura. With all the funnies aside, I think we have an amazing team upon us. But let that not shadow what they're about to say. Let it not affect you, because we know that the rangatahi are for tomorrow. It's showing at Pariroa Pā that our krauas, our queers, put the rangatahi first. Ta mai ti ako ana ki te marae, tau ana. Ki whea mai e kōrero, ko Ngati Tupito. Ngati Tupito tipuna died before the 1900s. E moi, let the rangatahi come forward. Mai tonu te pito te kōrero, ka pua wai tonu te aroha. He puke ngā rākau ka puta te kōrero, he puke ngā wai ka puta te rākau, he puke ngā rākau ka puta te tāngata, he puke ngā tāngata ka puta te kōrero. Ko te kōrero o te rangatahi, ko te kōrero a te tokorua nei. For who, for without them, for that we won't be tomorrow. What the conscious mind can't see, the adaptive eyes can visualize. Bit hard today, eh? I thought I'd take a harder stance than telling jokes and funnies, because at some point we have to realize that our rangatahi are pōpō. It's shown in my aunties, my cousins, and my cousins' mahi. Spotswood College, teaching rangatahi moa pōpō. Opunake High School, na rangatahi moa pōpō. Hawera High School, na rangatahi moa pōpō. Pate Area School, na rangatahi moa pōpō. To negate the opinion that rangatahi are for a pōpō would be to go against their concise brains that they've carried all these years. Now you know Koko Jimmy's going to bring a sermon on Sunday about rangatahi. E ngā rangatahi, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Ko tēnei taku wero ki te Māria. Whiua o tāringa ki te moana. Wakarongo ke ki o karu. Now if my beautiful cousin believed what he said, then he would have let the rangatahi take the lead. If my beautiful cousin believed what he said, we won't see him stand a second time. My beautiful cousin will keep himself glued to his chair. But I was looking at my beautiful cousin, and I had a thought. Our rangatahi are not meant to be leaders. They are snow on our maunga, feathers on our birds, scales on the tails of our fish. Who is Tamati without Uncle Mo? Who is Lee without Koko Sid and Auntie Anne? Who is Maruata without Koko Hemi and Nanny Colleen? We are the salt and the pepper. We are the fried bread on the hangi. Ka tahi te rūpahu, ka tahi te rūkahu. Tamati wants to call himself a rangatai. He's 42. He wants to lead. He can't even pick a first name. Is he Mary? Is he Tamati? Is he Hori? Is he Daniel? Tamati wants to lead. He can't even pick an iwi. Ruahine, Ruanui, Tuhoi. Tamati wants to lead. He can't even pick a girlfriend. That fella's had more girls in his life than he has first cousins, and he's a maruira.
Kia ora. Haere tonu te umere, umere, umere.
Wakarongo ka tika.
He rangatai ahau, kua ki oku kuia ki ahau, ai, ko koe te tei rangatai mo a pōpō. Kore ēnei taia te ki atu, ai, he rangatai ahau. Kau. Nā te mea, kore rātou e taia te ki atu, ana. Kua haere au ki te kura, i tēnei tau, i muri i ēnei, kua haere ki te kura, e hianga tau kua pahue, i te wā kua haere rātou ki te kura. I ēnei rā, ka waka ako rātou i te mea hau kia mātou, ka tae ēnei ki te nui ake i o rātou. Me mea ka nui ake tō mātou, ka tae mātou ki te kōrero, pērā i te kiahau toku te kōrero i runga i tēnei. Kore rātou e tae ana ki te ki, i mahi au tēnei, i tēnei tau, nā te mea, ēnei rā, ka tae e koe te mai i ēnei rā, nā te mea, kei konei ngā Pākehā, me kaore koe me umere atu ki roto i tēnei, ki konei, me ki koe iti, kaore, Nō reira, tēnā tātou.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Many are saying, let rangatahi lead now. But we must question, are they truly ready? While our rangatahi are young, full of potential, and the leaders of our iwi, leadership is more than energy and enthusiasm. Leadership requires patience, understanding, and the wisdom that comes from years of experience, something that only time can offer. At their age, many rangatahi are still learning about who they are and where they fit in this world. To thrust them into leadership this prematurely will put too much risk and too much pressure on them, causing unnecessary stress. Leadership isn't just about having ideas. It's about making tough decisions, managing conflict, and ensuring the well-being of our people. That's a responsibility that takes time to develop. Our ancestors didn't rush into leadership. They followed a tikanga, a pathway of learning, guided by our kaumātua, who lived through challenges and gained insights. Let's not set our rangatahi up for failure and pushing them into these roles. They might not be fully prepared for, and instead of giving them time to grow, learn and develop their skills, before asking them to take on the weight of leadership. We cannot gamble with our future on good intentions alone.
Rangatahi rangatahi ready to lead? A lot of people just straight say no. But how would you know if you don't give us the chance? Without the rain, there is no rainbow. Without a chance, you'll never know. Rangatahi can do a lot of things. We bring in fresh ideas, fresh perspectives, and a lot of new ways to get out there towards people. Like the protest, toi tui te tiriti, toi tui te mana Māori, toi tui te mana motuhake. I think that protest was so successful because of social media. It was all over, on Instagram, on everyone's stories, Facebook, everyone's stories, and on TikTok too. That's why I think there was such a great outcome for that protest. A lot of these older folks think rangatahi don't know what we're talking about. But let's think about the problems that we have had for many years, like the fight for our land. We are getting somewhere, slowly. After how many years? I think we are not making as much progress as we could because they don't want to let the rangatahi have an opinion. The first rangatahi to actually get an opinion out there was Hana. If they let us have an opinion or just ask what we thought, maybe we could make more progress instead of being stuck at where we are. Seabed mining. I went to this course up in New Plymouth. This guy talking about how we're just scared to see what's under there and had none of the straight facts. Did any of the teachers say anything? No. Did any of the people actually doing the course say anything? No. So who said something? Me and my friends. We knew that seabed mining was wrong, and we knew that we shouldn't support it. And that is why I think rangatahi should have a right to an opinion, a right to help make more success in Aotearoa. Thank you.
Ka nui anō te mihi ki a koutou katoa. I, Tikatou, we agree you should have your place and space alongside our others. But I want to start off first by mihiing to our workers, our kaimahi from the tari, that have made this amazing opportunity happen today and tomorrow. Seeing our rangatahi, our babies, our kaumātua, our pāaki working alongside each other has been phenomenal. And that's what Māori leadership is about. It is not a boxed Pākehā view that there is one generation that must rule or lead above others. It's about working alongside each other in unity. Our pāake, our kaumātua, definitely our rangatahi there as well, but alongside each other, forging a better and brighter future for our mokopuna to come. So our stance is not that they don't belong in leadership. We are saying we belong there collectively, in unity. And that is how we make ourselves stronger, we challenge ourselves, we grow ourselves, and we prepare a better future for our mokopuna to come. We absolutely believe that this is the best way, together, light shining together. And we saw that today, whānau. We saw 4 generations walking across the stage to perform. We saw with Rangitaui, we had our beautiful kuia that were on the seats so that they could get up and perform when they felt like it, alongside our tauira, our rangatahi, our taiohi, our mokopuna, our tamariki coming in along the sides. That was beautiful. And I know that we all felt that. And that is what we should be aiming and aspiring to as Ngāti Rōnui. That is our uniqueness. That means that we don't box ourselves into a viewpoint of what leadership is. It's collective, it's unifying, and it's uplifting. It's absolutely uplifting. I want to mihi very quickly to my whanaunga Tamati, his beautiful stories he's shared. No wonder he hasn't been at work for the last week. And I want to share my own. There was this little flame, and his name was Tamati. And he was really worried about sharing his light with others. However, this real tohi come along. His name was Airana, and he poked the wick into the flame. And lo and behold, the flame blew, and the flame kept growing and kept growing. You see, the moral of the story is, we lose nothing by using our flame to light others. Nō reira I te iwi, may us as Ngāti Rōnui light each other and be strong and brave. Kia ora rā.
I look with grateful eyes to see that Tamati has taken up the wiro and handed the mic to Manaki, who will stand next to close our kaupapa for today. But I listened to Manaki and I thought, is that what a leader looks like? Big shoulders, big chest, no humility? Manaki sat there and I sat humbly in my chair while he takahiri runga I tōku mana. Manaki, I invite you onto this atamira again to continue to do the same. This is what wakaiti looks like. This is what humarie looks like. This is what humility looks like. To finish, or return to what I was really interrupted by a bell, what I was saying about tamati. Did you know tamati still flats? He spent $56,000 on a Ford. If Nick is correct, where do you keep your taonga? In your ware? Inside your tū wata, or do you leave your taonga, your rangatai, on the side of the road, in the cold, in the dark, to face what perils shall rain upon them? Or do you keep them where they are safe? And do you love them? And do you look after them? To throw them forward only when, as Manaki will in a moment, step forward. Tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou.
From wise words aimed at dwarfed ears to explosive songs used to serenade the hearts, the stories and advice pertinent to the learning that has taken place over millennia. Now our time to give back. The rangatahi have heard it, thanks to our pakeke. The wisdom lethal to take down any obstacle ahead of them. To deny the rangatahi would be to deny those who taught them. Would you deny your koro? Ai, te wā o te kore, mā wai e mahi, mā te rangatahi e mahi. Ngati Hine came out here on stage. Manaki, first mihi ki te kaupapa. Second mihi ki ngā take o te wā. Third mihi ki te katoa. Let the rangatahi lead. Now, our rangatahi have spoken about everything that they learn. What they now have before them, a phone, simple as it may be, the advice to the world e te iwi. Ngati Hine, pariroa pā, stands on the idea of let the rangatahi lead. Now I want to touch on something that my auntie said about letting someone's light shine. It was the great Miriam Grace that said, what is your deepest fear? What is your deepest fear? Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are bright beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Who are we to not shine? Who are we to not be? We are children of God. We were meant to make the world shine. If my light can shine better, your light will be. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It is not just in some of us, it is in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our shine, we, as everyone, are liberated. Our presence automatically liberates those around us. Let the rangatahi lead. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Mai te pūrekereketanga o roto ki mai o Ngati Hine waka witi atu te tiro mai mere mere. Ki pari roa pā i reira ko Ngati Tupito e waka rewa nei te kaupapa kōrero e te iwi ho mai te paki paki. Ngati Tupito, Ngati Hine. Have fun with that, Auntie Debbie, because that seemed like a bit of a pickle to have to deal with, which is great, because you know our next generation are thriving to take your tūru. Nō reira, me mehia. There is a rangatahi. I'm making assumptions here. Someone can correct me, but judging the contents, it's a rangatahi and it's a kōtiro. Was I right? Whose? Okay. Lad. Whai tūru, please. Your Auntie Debbie and your dad want to look at you. Ara mai Ngati Hine, ara mai Ngati Tupito. Yeah, ara mai. Oh, I just want to point out for you, Piki Huia, that I am right. It does belong to a kōtiro. It does belong to a rangatahi.
And I knew it was a rangatahi.
Ka pai. Kua oki mai I nei te taupāinga whakamutunga. So we brought in our finalists. Very, very intentional. And it's not to, put the pressure on, did I win or did I not? Because it's not about winning. Said no one in Ngati Ruanui ever. Ka pai? It's about winning. It's about winning. Kia mohi o mai tātou. Kaua mo te rupau. Ina katoa ai tō hapu ki roto I tēnei o ngā wakataitai. Nau te tikanga kia kawe ake hei mataora mō Ruanui ki taranaki tūmai. So just being very, very clear here that the objective is to win these things. Because the objective is also that you become the representation, if you win, for Ngāti Ruanui at Taranaki Tūmai. That is the hope. That is not me saying, kua mana te rā kōrero, not a delegate, don't have a say. Heoi anōra. Kei ko nei te tauwhāinga whakamutunga. And then I'm just going to, actually I'll pop off the stage. Yeah, and I'll pass this rākau kōrero to my auntie and put all the pressure and eyes on her. So in case it's your hapu that doesn't come out strong, we know where it came from.
O, tuatahi ngā mihi kia koutou tā tātou hapu, iwi kua tai mai. I'm just going to go be really quick. It's a tie. So what we want to do is you make a choice. Ka pai. Kua mana, Ngati Hine.
Tēnā I te iwi, etu mai tātou. Stand up. Because we're going to stand, we're going to give them a round of applause as the champions for Ngati Ruanui 2024, Tautohetohe. And while we're all standing because we are right and we do things properly, I timata me te karakia, I oti me te karakia, tēnā koe e tai kei taku pāpā.
Kia no tātou, aroha mai ki te noko toni ia. Engari he honoro he korori he maungarong ki te whene whakaara pai ngā tangata katoa. E pā I tēnei wā hui ana mātua I roto I tēnei piringa. Ki te toko ngā kaupapa e pāna ki tā tātou kuia kōri Ruapuutahanga. Nā reira koro wai tia I ana mātua I roto I te koro wai e pāna ki a koe. Kā rei kore kapiki te kaha kapiki te ora kapiki te maramatanga e pāna ki a mātua. Kia koutou te whāna me whakamoi me te tea te ingoa I hoa. Nō nā nake hoki e nui ana te ingoa. Nā reira, I roto tēnei tā mātua inoi e pā. Rire hau, pai marire.